Hey guys, if you want to see how I installed these long clip-ins on my short hair, then keep on watching. So like I said, my hair is very short because I did do a cut earlier this year, and today I'm using CURLSQUEEN's kinky clip-ins. I'm going to leave all of their information in the description box and as well as somewhere on the screen. And I'm just going to part the back of my hair, or section it off to put in the first piece. So I usually put the first piece a couple inches above the base of my hair, and then the trick to hide my short hair is to take another clip and then install it the opposite way. So instead of just clipping it the way that it usually would go, you bend over and you clip it in the opposite way. That way, when you pull your hair in front, you have that long extension that is camouflaging your short hair. I hope I explained that. If I didn't, baby, slow down the video and go back and rewatch it, okay? And now I'm just gonna go ahead and install like I usually do. I do have another clip-in video that I will install. I will insert the card on the top right corner. If you're interested in looking at it, you can go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'm just installing these clip-ins as I go. I don't have like a specific method or like how much I use. It just depends on how I'm feeling. This day I was actually rushing because I had somewhere to go, so I barely use a comb. I usually don't even use a comb. I use my fingers and just separate and clip and separate and clip, and if it's bumpy, I just readjust. So it's not that difficult. Just tailor this to your own head, okay? Because your head might be bigger than mine or smaller than mine. So see, it's not perfect at all, and it doesn't need to be. As long as your hair is in and attached, you're good to go. So usually what I will say is usually I use the long pieces in the middle of my hair, and I keep the shorter pieces for the front. It's just easier to move around. It's easier to move around and like readjust for different styles. And I will be doing a few styles. So if you want to see how you can style your clip-ins as well, then keep on watching. So as you see, I'm using a comb in the front because it's the front of your hair, and I'm just going to add in some more clips. Put the small pieces in front and then brush. And then you have your classic buzz down middle part ready to go. Okay, I did not go over my hair with a flat iron because I was going outside and it was extremely hot. I just knew it would be a mess, but this is what it looks like. This is usually my go-to with clip-ins, and this would be style 1. Okay, so now just a quick adjustment. I'm gonna put some edge control on my edges. Tuck that behind my ear. Get the baby hairs together, or the adult hairs. And then I'm just going to brush this into a nice low ponytail, which is also another quick classic with clip-ins. Super easy to do. You don't have to take your clip-ins out at all. Just brush your hair back and put it into a ponytail, like so. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do 2 braids in the front. I was rushing, so this is not my best braid. Granted, I am not the best braider anyway, but you know, it will do. So what I did was I took the first two clips that I did at the very front. I took those out just so I can have a nice flat base when I'm doing these cane rows. I'm gonna braid that down, take a hairpin and pin that back, brush it out, and then do the same thing on the other side. Style number 3, another go-to for me. Okay, so I'm just checking my sub out. It looks cute. And now I'm gonna take this out, removing quick because I have places to be, baby, places to be. All right, so now we're gonna take this out. And take 2 pieces in the front for like a little bangs, I guess. And I would have flat ironed this on another day, but like I said, I was going outside and I was going to be outside for a few hours. I just knew it would frizz up anyway, so I didn't want to add any more heat to my hair. So I just left those 2 pieces in the front and then brush my hair back so it's a nice half up, half down situation. And then use my clip to clip that up. And then fan my hair out, and that's it. Nice and cute, classy. All right, and now for the last one. I'm going to do a nice deep curve side part and brush my hair over. And then with all of that extra hair, now you have space that you can put the clip-ins we took out earlier, put them back in to fill in and camouflage, blend in that short hair. And just brush to blend. And you can go over this with a flat iron and add some curls if you want to, but this is it for me, baby. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.